Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make simple onion roast recipe. Very delicious and special recipe. We can serve this along with dosa or rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 2 sliced onion, half teaspoon salt. Saute it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden color. Now keep it low flame and we can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Then add 1 chopped tomato, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Close the lid and saute it for 6 to 7 minutes until tomato becomes soft. Stir in between every single minute to avoid burning. After 7 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Simple onion roast recipe is ready. We can serve this along with dosa or rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.